Hey everybody, this is Taya Mills and I am your teacher for this health class. I just wanted to make this quick little video to have you guys get to know a little bit about me because we'll be working together for this semester and I'm excited to get to know you and I will do that in our introduction discussion board. Um, but I first wanted to share a little bit about myself so that you can get to know me. But first, I just really wanted to say welcome, and I am so happy you're here. And then as I think about you guys coming into this class and being so brave and taking an online class, even though it's a little bit different than our ordinary classrooms, I saw this quote the other day, and it really um, explained the way I think about you guys. It says, "She was powerful, not because she wasn't scared, but because she went on so strongly despite the fear." And I really love that quote. And whether you're male or female, I feel like this quote applies to you because you guys are being so brave and so courageous in trying something new. And especially if you've never done an online course, I really admire that courage and that motivation to further your education, even if away from your ordinary school. So just a little bit about me. I have my life really revolves around my family right now. I do work for IDLA online as well as I work and teach online for Brigham Young University, Idaho. And so I'm online a lot, on my computer a lot, working with students. But aside from that, really my life is just about my family. This is a picture of our little family. We took our little kids skiing last year for the first time, and that was a fun time. And then the picture on the right is my husband and I. He is a firefighter paramedic here in Idaho Falls, and so that is where we live. And we really love to live in Idaho Falls and um, be able to enjoy all the great things about Idaho. Kel and Avery are my kids. Kel's 6 and Avery is almost 4. And they keep things lively around our house. The picture on the left, I had to include that because they were looking all spiffy in their wedding clothes. And then the picture on the right is, more of what is seen around my house. Kids in pajamas wearing superhero costumes or transformer masks. They really keep things lively around here, and we have a lot of fun together. A couple of fun things that we've done recently is this spring we went to Zions National Park in southern Utah, and my husband and I, the picture on the left, we hiked Angel's Landing. And if any of you guys have done that, it's super cool. You hike up this little trail, and you're basically holding on to a railing or a chain the all the way up that ridge, and it's pretty precarious looking down off the side of that. And it was so much fun though. And then the picture on the right is a picture of our little family going to a jazz basketball game in Utah. And so that's just kind of a glimpse into our life. We really love to travel, we love to hike, we love the outdoors, and we really love our movie nights. My kids are always asking for popcorn movie nights, and so that's something fun that we love to do as well. This last one is just this is just a quote that really encompasses the way I think about life. It's by Ralph Waldo Emerson. He's one of my favorite poets and writers. In fact, my daughter's middle name is Emerson because of him. This quote says, "Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air." And I really love this quote because I think it really encompasses the way I think about life. And I really feel like if we can just enjoy what's in front of us and really embrace what's in front of us to really fulfill ourselves and see the goodness in life, then we can be happy and we can learn and grow and live a good life. And so I hope that that's something that we'll be able to do in this course is take this course and learn as much as we can from it and really embrace it and have fun while it's here and enjoy each other's company. And make this a really meaningful experience. Anyways, that's a little bit about me. I look forward to getting to know about you in our introduction discussion board as well as in our individual collaboration and communications. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to let me know about, just be sure and reach out. I am always here and I'm rooting you guys on every step of the way.